I'm Daniel Renwick and I'm going to do a review on Borderlands 2. Now what I'm going to talk about is the effects of sound in games such as the music and the background noise. For now I'm going to get a buggy and show you how it sounds around the terrain. Now if you were listening to that, then you will notice of how the buggy sounds different when it's on the road and when it's on the snow. And when that creature is just about attacking me, then you can notice the collision. Now what the music does is that when you're in a certain area, or during a certain command, then it's supposed to control your emotions. For example, if somebody was dying, then it would have a quiet, slow type of music. However, if you're during a battle, then it would then the music would be more full on. Now what the background noise does, it makes you feel as though you are a part of the game. For example, when I try to kill the bully. Now what the audio does is that it gives out information, like when, say I'm about to level up, then it will make a certain noise to show that I've leveled up. Also, if I had just collected an item, then it would make a noise to show the information that I have collected an item. As well as the impact of my shotgun when I kill this bully. Anyway, I think I've explained it all enough now. Bye.